This short video will walk you through how to use an 8-part slide. In general, throughout this year, we will use 8-part slides when we're looking at some kind of media. So a media could be a YouTube video, it could be an audio recording of something, it could be a graph, it could be an image, it could be a short article. So any of those types of things would count as a piece of media. So the 8-part slide is called an 8-part slide because it has, you got it, 8 parts. So this is sort of a template slide. This is what your slides will always look like. So you can see that the first 4 parts are on the left side here, and the second 4 parts are over on the right side. So the very first part is always going to be the title of whatever the media piece is that you're looking at. A lot of times I will already have put the title in for you. The second part is going to be the actual piece of media. Um, so if you're looking at a video, you would see the video here. If you were looking at an article, you would probably see a link to the article right in this box. If you're looking at an image or a graph, you would see the image or graph in this box. So the actual piece of media that you're going to be looking at and then using to complete the rest of the 8-part slide is going to be here. The third part is going to be the source of the media. So where did that piece of media come from? And again, I will usually write this in here for you. So maybe I got something from YouTube or a science news site, that kind of thing. So the first 3 parts usually are filled in for you already. So when you open up these slides, you're going to go ahead and take some time and look at the media, and then you're going to complete parts 4 through 8. So part number 4 is your top 3. So in this box where it says click to add text, you're going to describe the top 3 things that stood out to you from the piece of media. If we move over to the right side of the slide here, number 5, 6, and 7 are really just to kind of have you focus in on some key words that you heard or you read or you noticed as you worked your way through the piece of media. So the orange box here, part number 5, is going to be all of the nouns that you heard that you think are really important. So these would be people, places, things, that played a strong role or an important role in the story of the piece of media that you were looking at. Adjectives are just words that describe nouns. So you want to think about the nouns that were important and what were some of the descriptions that went along with those nouns. Verbs are going to be action words. So what are some of the actions that you either read about or you saw as you look through the piece of media? And then the last part of the 8-part slide is a reflection piece. So again, you're going to write this reflection in the box where it says click to add text. And for the reflection, you're just going to be writing about, what was something new that you learned? Or did your thinking change in any way after taking some time to work through the piece of media? And then you're going to go ahead and explain your thoughts. So those are the 8 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of an 8-part slide. I'm going to go ahead and show you quickly one more, just sort of example 8-part slide that is already has a piece of media in it. So for this particular 8-part slide, you can see the title is Can You Grow a Cell Phone Case? This is a piece of text. So in this one, you would open up and read this article. So this is a live link that you would click on, and then you can see the source right here. So after reading the article, then you would go ahead and fill out the remaining parts. Let me show you one more example here. So this example, the title, Are Mushrooms the New Plastic? This one is a video, so you're going to watch a short video. And then the source is TED Talks. And again, once you've taken a look at the video, then you're going to work your way through the next 5 parts of the 8-part slide. So this is just a tool that we're going to use fairly frequently throughout the year to kind of help you break down and sort of digest and sort of chunk out what's important in different pieces of media that we will be looking at.